Hello, I am the after-sales engineer of Hightech. Next, I will explain the operation of the carving machine. 1. Install the laser tube. After unpacking, we install the laser tube first. Open the boot cover. Open the laser tube bracket. Open the outer package of the laser tube and install it. This end of the laser tube is the light outlet, where the lens is. Be sure to handle gently when installing. After the laser tube is placed, fix the bracket. This is the low pressure line of the laser tube. Connect the cathode wire. Hold the line in place. This wire is the high voltage wire of the laser tube. The line should be fixed firmly and the line tightened, otherwise it is easy to ignite. Next, install the water pipe. The red water pipe is the outlet pipe. The water outlet pipe connects to the water outlet of the laser tube. The white water pipe is the intake pipe. The water inlet pipe connects to the water inlet of the laser tube. Laser tube installed. Finally, secure the cover. 2. Install the accessories of the carving machine. Connect the power cable of the chiller. Connect the water pipe to the chiller. The white water pipe is connected to the water outlet of the chiller, and the red water pipe is connected to the water inlet of the chiller. The white water pipe is connected to the outlet end of the machine, and the red water pipe is connected to the inlet end of the machine. This line is the water protection line. Connect one end to the chiller and the other end to the machine. Next, connect the machine's fan. After unpacking, one end of the fan tube has been installed, and the other end of the fan tube is directly installed. Take the fan tube out of the cabinet opening. The other end of the fan tube is connected to the air inlet of the fan. One end of the other fan tube is connected to the air outlet of the fan. After installation, connect the fan power supply. Connect one end of the silicone tube to the air pump. Connect the black trachea. Connect the power supply to the air pump. Connect the machine power supply. 3. Turn on the machine. This is an ammeter. It shows the current at work. This is the emergency switch. This is the lock switch. This is the operation panel. This is the operating motherboard. The top is the X-axis drive and the bottom is the Y-axis drive. This is a 24V switching power supply for the motherboard. This is a 48V switching power supply, powering the drive. Turn on the emergency stop. Turn on the lock. Turn on the switch of fan, air pump and chiller in turn. A few things to note. The laser tube must be filled with water when it is pumped for the first time, and there can be no bubbles. Let the laser tube circulate for a while after water intake, and if bubbles appear, bubble treatment is carried out by squeezing the trachea. After the above steps are completed, the entire machine installation operation is complete. After the machine is installed, first check whether the optical path position of the machine is normal. Remove the acrylic from the toolbox and place it on the full side of the lens with the purpose of protecting the lens. The acrylic is secured by paper tape. Press up to move the position to the front end. Press pulse again. After the first completion, press the down key again. Press pulse again. Check whether the two lights coincide. If they do not coincide, you need to adjust the lens located at the back. Remove the front end of the acrylic and reattach the paper tape. Move to the far left and press the pulse key. Move to the far right and press the pulse key again. After examination, the light is fine. Check the optical path at the lower end and press pulse. After examination, the light is fine. 4. Machine cutting operation demonstration. First of all, the focal length is adjusted. Unscrew the screw, adjust the focal length, and adjust the focal length position accurately. Click the origin key, the frame key, and check if you are out of the material. Click the start button to cut. Five. Machine shutdown operation. Turn off the power supply of the air pump, fan, and chiller. Turn off the emergency stop button, turn off the lock switch. The shutdown is complete. The whole installation and operation process of the carving machine has been explained. If you have any other after-sales questions, please get in touch with HG Technician and we will help to solve it.